Despite the fact that beets once in a while end up on home or eatery menus, they are presently endeavoring to wind up a table centerpiece. Since they are wrapped in a shade of red velvet, it's abnormal they have been ignored for so long. Beets are dynamic little power plants, loaded down with phytonutrients that fill in as cancer prevention agent and mitigating mystery operators. They are rich with powerful supplements that prepare for birth surrenders, coronary illness and even certain kinds of growth. In the present video we'll inspect 6 reasons why you should add beets to your eating routine. 1. Forestalls constipation. The colon is an interstate in which automobile overloads are an excruciating irritation. Since beets are high in fiber, they keep squander moving along at the correct speed farthest point to guarantee solid defecations. Studies appear to show that beta-cyanin, a phytochemical compound in beets, may enable wage to war against colon growth. 2. Against cancer properties. Late investigations demonstrate that beetroot separate has been viable in treating pancreatic, bosom and prostate malignancy. It additionally decreases tumor developments on organs. The effective combo of cell reinforcement and calming properties are indicating positive outcomes in bringing down malignancy dangers. 3. Detoxes your liver. Huge numbers of us overlook that our bodies require a vigorous detoxification process. Endless poisons and different sorts of waste can make serious medical issues in the event that they aren't disposed of. Beets can annihilate these intruders from liver cells, while additionally supporting the insusceptible framework. 4. Diminishes risk of birth defects. Vitamin B is swimming inside beets, and one of its properties, folate, can bring down the danger of birth abscons. Beets are additionally stuffed with vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. To work appropriately, nerves, muscles, kidneys, the pancreas and liver must have an unfaltering dosage of these basic minerals. 5. Battles inflammation. Most perpetual ailments and maladies start unpretentiously, with mellow irritation. A characteristic supplement in beets, betaine, goes about as furnished gatekeepers to shield interior organs, cells, protein, and catalysts from aggravation and natural pressure. 6. Brings down your blood pressure. Nature pours a liberal supply of nitrates into beets. Nitrates have been credited with bringing down patients' circulatory strain levels in just hours. One investigation uncovers that drinking 1 glass of beet juice can lessen circulatory strain as much as 4 to 5 focuses. When nitrates change over into nitric oxide, veins unwind and expand, which enhances bloodstream.